a phonics lesson in primary 1. So we follow a multi-sensory approach when we're teaching phonics to our primary 1 children, and this looks like a short story for the sound that we're introducing, followed by an action, and then we have a little song. So it goes like this. We've got our Jolly Phonics big book here, and the songs can be found on YouTube. You can Google YouTube Jolly Phonics for each individual sound. So if we're looking at A, we have a story here where the family are enjoying a picnic in the park, and they sit down to have their lunch and they start eating, and the little girl, she feels something on her arm, and it's an ant and it's crawling, and she says, ah, ah, ah. So do you want to join in with me with the action? So the action would be your fingers going up and down your arm. Can you do that just now? That's a great girl. And then we would say, ants, ants, ants on my arm, ants, ants, ants on my arm, ants, ants, ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. And then we would move on to a magnetic board. Now you can see here there's 6 groups of sounds on the alphabet map just now. That's the initial 6 sounds that your child will learn in primary 1. A, t, s, e, p, n. And the reason for this is that the more sounds they learn, the more words they can make really quite quickly. So we can start word building straight away when we come into primary 1. So we're going to look at the 5-finger approach here that we've got on the side of the big book, and we're going to be making the word at. That would be one of the first words that the children would make when they come into primary 1. So we're ready? We've got a wonderful primary 1 girl here, and we're going to make the word at. So the first thing we would say is we would say the word. So say the word at. At. Now we're going to make and break the word. So can you show me making and breaking the word at? Bring your letters down onto the line, that's where they're happiest. Right, so we make and break that word, and we can see right away that word's got 2 sounds in it. Now we're going to blend it from left to right, and as you blend, we'll hear you saying the word. On you go then, let me see you blending. Great, so you've blended those sounds together to make the word. Let me see you reading the word now from left to right. Read the word. At. Just put your finger under the A. That's you. Read the word. Now cover up the word and you're going to write it. That's the very last approach. And you would normally cover that up with your duster, but we've not got your duster here just now. But use your pen now to write the word on the line with the formation. So as a small letter, so we would start in the middle. And you would write A, and then you would start at the top for t, t, t. And you would write the word, and you would check. Are you correct? Does it look correct? Yes? Well done.